Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to share your knowledge and earn passive income? In this video, I will show you step by step on how to create and sell online courses using Teachable. No coding or skills required. Let's get started. First of all, head over to teachable.com and sign up for a free account. Click on top deals or click the man icon from the right side top right corner. Now enter your email address or log in with ShopPay. Once you are in, you will land on your dashboard where you will manage everything from courses to sales and students. Click partners and click sign up button. Then enter your name, email address and create a strong password. Then select I am not a robot. Then select it and click verify and submit. Then you can save the password on your browser. From here, click on your profile icon. Then you can add your profile profile picture, contact phone number, your company name, address, city, zip code, or social media link, etc. Click on dashboard, scroll down or click go to click section or commissions. You'll see all things here. From media, you can see all media from here. Now go to dashboard or click product links, then get link, and you can earn commission 5%. Now from your dashboard, wait a minute, save cable dashboard. You can manage your profile from here. From your dashboard, click the courses in the sidebar if available and hit new course. Give your course a title, subtitle, and a short description. Then click create course. You will be taken to the course builder where the real fun begins. From teachable.com dashboard, click sell in bulk. Now You can send SMS, Teachable contact support. Now here you can see the how it works. Click curriculum and send and start adding sections and lectures. Wait a minute. Um, you can search for Teachable. Then click start for free. Then enter your full name, email address. Wait a minute. From here you can copy your email address and paste it here. Then set a strong password. Then click create account. Now set your plan, enter your card number, etc. From your dashboard, click curriculum and start adding sections and lectures. Each section can include multiple types of content like video lectures, PDFs, quizzes, text, or presentations. Upload your content easily from your device or cloud storage. Clickable supports video hosting, so you don't need YouTube or Vimeo. From this website, you can earn commission by affiliate program, or from this website, you can sell your courses. Go to pricing tab. You can offer your course for free at a one-time price is as a subscriptions or with payment plans. Click on pages and customize your sales page. Using the drag and drop editor, add images, testimonial scores, descriptions, and pricing blocks. This is what students will see before buying, so make it persuasive and professional. Now go to settings from your dashboard and go to payments tab. Connect your Stripe or PayPal to get paid. Once your content and pricing are ready, head back to the course dashboard and click publish. Finally, check your analytics to see sales, student progress, and revenue. And that's how you create and sell on online course with Teachable and Teachable affiliate program. If this helped, like and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop your course topic idea in the comments. Thanks for watching.